Before you buy any crypto token, ask yourself this one question. What could go wrong? Because one bad decision can wipe out your money fast. Today, I'm showing you 5 red flags that should stop you immediately. Hey everyone, welcome back to Budget Boosters, where we make money simple. Crypto moves fast, but smart decisions move slower. In this video, you'll learn the biggest warning signs to watch for before buying any crypto token. Let's protect your money. Red flag 1, anonymous or hidden founders. If you don't know who built the project, be careful. Anonymous teams can disappear overnight. No face means no accountability. If founders won't show who they are, ask why. Stick around, the next red flag is even more common. Red flag 2, too much hype, no real product. Big promises. Big excitement. But no working product. If a token's value comes only from hype, that's a problem. Real projects show progress, not just marketing. Words are cheap. Results matter. Red flag 3, one wallet owns too much. If a few wallets control most of the supply, danger is near. That means insiders can sell and crash the price. This is how rug pulls start. Healthy projects spread ownership, not concentrated. Stick around, this next one traps beginners. Red flag 4, pressure to buy now. Last chance. Don't miss out. Buy before it's too late. Urgency is a classic trap. Good investments don't rush you. Pressure usually means someone else wants liquidity, fast. Red flag 5, no clear use or long-term plan. Ask one simple question. What does this token actually do? If the answer is vague or confusing, walk away. No use means no real demand. And no demand means price eventually falls. Bonus red flag, locked comments or deleted questions. If honest questions get ignored or deleted, that's a warning. Transparency matters. Silence usually hides problems. Crypto isn't about being fast, it's about being smart. Avoiding bad investments is just as powerful as finding good ones. Which red flag surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our next video, Crypto versus Stocks, which is better for beginners.